to appeal for Facebook suspension. How we can get to appeal whenever Facebook suspend our accounts. You are welcome once again to my channel. If today is your first time, you are welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, you are welcome. In today's video, I will be showing us how you can appeal whenever Facebook suspend your account. So let's dive in. All you need to do is make sure you go through the suspension letter. For you to get that, you would have gotten an email in your inbox, and by the time you try to log in, you see suspended. Yes, and some accounts have been banned. That is another case for another day, but presently you want to appeal on this account. So what you need to do is click on your Facebook account, and it will take you to where you have the suspension on your account. So right now, let's read through this. It says we suspended your account 180 days left to appeal, or we will permanently disable your account. What this means is that if I did not send an appeal letter to them within 180 days, my Facebook account will be terminated. It will be banned permanently. I won't be able to use this account anymore. So let's go to why this happened. Your account may be associated with another account that has gone against our rule. This doesn't follow our community standard on account integrity. So if you want to read more about that, why we suspend your account, example of things we don't allow, creating a new group to replace one we remove, avoiding restriction on a page by using a different one, creating another account after we suspend yours. So if you want to read full, you click on this. It will take you to direct you to read other things related to the issue you are having concerning your account suspension. So for now, what we want to do is we want to send an appeal letter. So after you have gone through all of this, you've read it, you've come to a conclusion on what makes Facebook to suspend your account, the next thing for you is to appeal regarding to what you have seen. Yeah, so in my own case, I will be dropping my appeal letter right now, which I want us to go through together. You will scroll up and you're going to say appeal regarding what happened with this particular account that they suspend. So you come here and click on appeal. Once you click on appeal, you enter an email address. To make sure we can update you on progress, please provide your email address. If there are any issues confirming your identity, we will email you directly to verify this email address. We will send you a confirmation code. So you go through this process, you submit your email address, then you click on send login code. So the code has been sent to my email. Once you get the code, you copy the code and come and click on next. So once you input the code, you will be asked to upload a verification selfie. Then you click on choose your photo. Go to your gallery to choose your photo and upload it. So you can see once you upload it, it will show like this that you uploaded something. It will write it at the front of that choose a photo. Then you click on continue. You will be redirected to input a phone number. You are going to input your active phone number in this particular spot. And the next thing is for you to go to that phone number that you have imputed and copy the 6-digit code that has been sent to that phone number for you. You copy it and paste it here. You can see it says your code can take up to a minute to arrive. So it means the code is going to arrive, but it can take up to a minute. If you have watched to this extent, don't forget to like, comment, click the subscribe button, and voila, you can see it all opens up. The suspension has been removed, the appeal has been accepted. So all you need to do is just input the right information that is needed of you, and your suspended account will come back to normal. If this video has been helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and also smash the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell to be notified whenever I drop more successful tips like this. Thank you and bye for now.